Hi everybody. What I'm going to show you how to do today is I'm going to show you how to enable a feature on your Chromebook that's called Nightlight that will allow you to filter out some of the blue light that comes off of your Chromebook screen when you're using it at night. Too much blue light coming off of your computer screen might keep you up at night, and as everybody knows, getting a good night's sleep is really important. If you don't, it sort of plays with your health in a multitude of ways. So we're going to show you how to do this. It will be up to you to remember to do it, so hopefully you remember how to do that. So as you can see, I am looking at the login screen for the Chromebook, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in. Up here in the Omnibox, I am going to type the word Chrome, colon, backslash, backslash, and the word flags, and hit enter. And then in the search box on that page, I'm going to type the word night, space, light. And as you can see, because I've searched for this already today, it pops up right on my screen. You might have to do a little bit of searching for it. But it says enable nightlight. I'm going to come over here to the side. I'm going to tap the arrow and I'm going to enable it. It asks me to relaunch now. So I'm going to tap that. And now if I take my cursor down to the bottom where my picture is, now you see that down here in the settings bar, I have a little icon that is a moon. Already it has turned my nightlight on. If I tap it, it'll turn it off. You see how I got a little bit more of a blue light? It's kind of hard to see on the video, but I can turn it on and off. So when you are home at night using your Chromebook to finish your homework and it starts to get dark, you should turn on your nightlight so that it filters out that blue light while you're using it. And then when you get back to school in the morning, just go ahead and turn the nightlight off and it'll turn that blue light back on, which makes it a little bit easier to see some of the images on the page. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.